This particular PAWS new tax is giving people a lot of concern. This very tax right here got PAWS, okay? And it should not be. I've done this tax yesterday, but a lot of people are complaining of the fact that these have not changed to claim, and I will explain why in this very video. So if you've performed this tax, just leave it like that. It's not in your hand to decide for this plus 5,000 pounds. So basically, PAWS account have been suspended several times, and what they want to do is they've created a new PAWS account on X, and for that reason, they want to reach a 1 million follower. Look at it right here, 1 million, and right now they are at 370.16k followers right at this very point. Okay, so basically they just want people to join, and when it reach 1 million followers they will give plus 5,000 pounds. So it's not in your hand to decide this. Okay, what if they did not reach 1 million follower? What is going to happen? Nobody knows. But the basic thing here is PAWS want people to follow their new X account. You just join this very X account, click on this go, it will upload your X account, and you just join. Come right here, and then you come to this very area and you search for got PAWS. I have done it before. This very one right here. So if I click on it, it discovered the following right now is 370k following. Okay, and they are following just one account. So this is the main goal. They want these followers to reach 1 million. That is just it. So don't bother yourself about the timer. Just do the tax and that's all. So for me here, I've followed before, and that is very, very important. So you quickly go back to this very PAWS mini app and leave it like that. When the time elapses, we'll see what is going to happen right here. So it's not in your hand to decide when this very claim button is going to be active. Just do it and leave it like that, and that is just very, very simple. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Join our Telegram channel for more crypto updates, news, investing, and day trading strategies. Thanks for supporting this channel. I appreciate it.